Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to move Gmail contacts to iCloud on iPhone. Alright, so first up, we need to go ahead and sync our Gmail contacts to our iPhone. So go ahead and go to settings right here. And then let's go ahead and scroll down and find the contact section. Okay, scroll all the way down, find apps, tap on it. Now let's go ahead and find contacts right here at the very top. Okay, contacts. So just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on accounts right here or contact accounts. Just tap. And as you can see here, my Gmail or Google is already connected. If yours is not, just tap on Gmail or Google right here. Just tap on Gmail or Google right here and then just log in with your Gmail credentials. And once that's done, make sure that you go ahead and tap on it and you toggle the switch for contacts. Okay? And once that's done, if there's a save button, go ahead and save it. Now go ahead and go back, tap on contact accounts again. And then in here, just check if the changes have been saved. Okay, if not, again, make sure that you add an account, set up Google. Once that's done, it will be automatically synced. Just make sure that contacts is enabled right here. So when you go ahead and go to your contacts section or phone right here, so this contact is saved from my Google account. All right, this one. So I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Contacts page. All right, as you can see, this one is from my Google Contacts section. So if you want to as well, you could go ahead over to list right here at the very top. Now, as you can see, we have all Gmail. We can just tap on it and here we have these numbers. And the ones that we have updated earlier was this one. So it won't get messy or duplicates. Okay. Again, if you just want to contact someone that was from your Google account, well, again, go ahead over to contacts, then go ahead over to list, and from the list, find your Gmail, tap on it, contact the person from here. So lastly here, since Apple does not have a move button between accounts on iPhone, we should go ahead and export this list so that we'll have a copy for our iCloud. So to do that, right here, let's go ahead and go back to contacts, go back again, find your Gmail, tap and hold. Okay, now we have the export button, just tap on it. You'll be able to see a list right here. So just basically tap on done and then go ahead and choose mail. All right. And as you can see here, attached is a VCF file. Now you'll be able to see a different one right here if you have a ton of Google contacts. All right. So send it to your own iCloud account. Type it down right here and just tap on send. And once done, you are good to go. And that is how you move Gmail contacts to iCloud on iPhone. I hope this video helps. So I'll see you in the next one.